In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AOL Mail not working on Android. Let's get started by checking your internet connection. This is an essential first step because a stable connection is critical for accessing online services. To begin, try turning your Wi-Fi off and then back on. This can help refresh your connection. If you're using mobile data, do the same. Turn it off and then back on. This simple action can often resolve minor connectivity issues. Now, open a website to test the connection. This will confirm whether your internet is working. If the website loads, your connection is likely not the problem. However, if the internet does not work, you'll want to restart your router or your phone. Restarting helps resolve many network issues by resetting connections. Next, let's restart your Android phone. This can clear temporary glitches that might be causing problems with the AOL Mail app. Press and hold the power button on your phone. When the option appears, tap Restart. Once your device powers back up, open AOL Mail again. This basic troubleshooting step can often solve unexpected issues. If the problem persists, the next thing to try is force stopping the AOL app. This will completely close the app and stop any background processes. Open your phone's settings, then tap on Apps. Scroll down and find the AOL app. Tap on it and you'll see the option to force stop. Go ahead and tap that. Once you've done this, reopen the AOL app. This process can help clear any app-specific bugs that might be causing issues. Now, let's make sure your AOL app is up to date. An outdated app might not function correctly, which could be the root of your problem. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type AOL and look for the app in the search results. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button. Tap it to download and install the latest version. This ensures your app has all the latest features and bug fixes. After updating, open the app again. You should find that your AOL Mail works more smoothly. Updates are important because they often come with performance improvements and security patches. Let's recap what we've done so far. We checked and reset your internet connection, restarted your phone, force-stopped the AOL app, and updated it to the latest version. Each of these steps is a crucial part of ensuring your AOL Mail functions correctly on Android. If after all these steps your AOL Mail still isn't working, it might be a good idea to contact AOL support. They can provide more specific assistance tailored to your issue. Technology can be tricky sometimes, but being proactive and methodical usually leads to a solution. I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your AOL Mail issues on Android. Remember, these steps are not only useful for AOL Mail but can often fix similar problems with other apps. Thanks for joining me today, and I wish you smooth sailing with your email from now on.